Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and save the ATM style bracket orders on TradingView when you are using Tradovate account with it. So first of all, you need to simply open TradingView and then simply click on the option of trade on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you need to first of all connect your Tradovate account with it, and this way you are going to basically get access to the trading panels. Now over here you just have to open any of the futures chart in front of you, such as MNQ or MES or NQ. Then you are going to see the buy and the sells button here on the top. So you need to simply click on either sell order or the buy order in order to open the order panel. So over here you can also click on the trade option in order to open the order panel, and it is going to look something like this. Now over here in the order panel, you just have to simply provide the price at which you want to place the order, and you need to also select whether you want to do it on the market order or the limit order. After entering the unit, you need to simply just enable the take profit and the stop loss. So you need to enter your preferred values. For example, 20 ticks stop loss you can provide here, and you can set, let's say, 40 ticks of take profit. So these will be attached as an OCO brackets, meaning if one order is filled, the other is going to cancel automatically. Now over here, before placing the trade, you need to simply click the three buttons menu in the order panel, and then you need to just simply choose as the save preset. So when you are going to basically save it, you need to give the preset a name, and you are done with this. Just keep in mind that TradingView order presets are not the same as Tradovate ATM strategies. With Tradovate integration, your bracket orders must be attached before you submit the trade. Can't create a new bracket after the position is already open, although you can move your existing stop loss and take profit on the chart after the entry. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.